MeloHunt AI is one of the newest AI software tools hitting the market, and today I'm going to give you the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. This software has just been released, and if you're searching for a powerful tool to make your workflow more efficient, you're in the right place. Right off the bat, I have to tell you, MeloHunt AI is revolutionizing the way digital marketers, business owners, and content creators are approaching automation. But here's the thing, a lot of people are already talking about it, and it's easy to see why. However, the real question is, does it live up to the hype? Stick around because I'm about to break down what sets MeloHunt apart and if it's worth your time. First, let's talk about the key feature that sets MeloHunt apart from the competition. It's designed to help you streamline your content creation, social media management, and even email campaigns all in one place. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large enterprise, this tool is built to scale with your needs. But what makes it really shine is how quickly it learns your preferences and adjusts its recommendations. Next, let's dive into how user-friendly this software is. Unlike other complex AI tools, MeloHunt AI has an intuitive interface. The setup is quick, and you won't need a PhD in technology to figure it out. For someone new to AI, that's a huge bonus. In fact, you can get started with just a few clicks, which makes this a very practical option if you want to avoid spending hours learning the ins and outs of a new software. Now, let's talk results. MeloHunt AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms that analyze patterns in your existing content, helping you craft highly engaging pieces in no time. You can upload your previous work, and the software will give you personalized suggestions to improve your future content. This isn't just random advice, it's data-driven insights, which can help boost your engagement, clicks, and even sales. Another standout feature, MeloHunt AI includes analytics that's easy to understand. You can track your performance in real time, see which pieces of content are performing best, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This level of insight is incredibly valuable, especially if you're trying to scale your online presence without wasting time or resources. But what about automation? If you're managing multiple social accounts or handling campaigns across different platforms, you'll appreciate how MeloHunt AI automates your posts and engagements. With just a few clicks, you can schedule posts, track responses, and even adjust timing to optimize for the best reach, essentially giving you more time to focus on high-level strategy. Now, you might be wondering about customer support. MeloHunt AI doesn't leave you hanging. Their team offers 24/7 support, ensuring you can resolve any issues you encounter quickly. Plus, they provide extensive documentation and tutorials for anyone who might need a little extra help getting started. Finally, the cost. This is a big question for anyone considering new software, especially with all the options out there. The good news is, you can try MeloHunt AI completely free from the first link below. That's right, there's no risk to dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. If you've been on the lookout for a top-tier AI tool that simplifies your marketing, content creation, and social media management, MeloHunt AI is definitely worth considering. Having tested thousands of AI software tools myself, this one stands out for its ease of use and powerful features. Before you go, I've included my recommended AI tools in the description below. After testing hundreds of options, these are the ones I truly believe can help you level up your business. Don't forget to try MeloHunt AI for free and see for yourself if it's the right fit. That's it for today. Take action now and see how AI can elevate your marketing game.